Only a little more than 12 hours until polls open for the Arizona primary election. Tonight, there is a flurry of activity inside the Maricopa County Election Center, as thousands already voted early, with thousands more voting tomorrow. So let's check in with ABC 15 election expert Garrett Archer now inside the numbers on early voting in Arizona.
Even though tomorrow is primary election day, Arizonans have been casting ballots in droves since July 6. And since we hold separate elections for presidential primaries, turnout for the August primary is very consistent. About a third of Arizona voters will cast a ballot tomorrow, and it has risen in the past few cycles from 28% in 2012 to 36% in 2020. An analysis of the early vote by Uplift Data thinks that about half of registered Republicans and Democrats will vote. It's mostly those independents that will stay at home. Landon Wall is a GOP data analyst and pollster, and he tells me that Arizona is on track for a record number of primary votes.
We've seen about 947,000 votes cast, which puts us about at 70% of our expected turnout. We're expecting turnout to be between 1.4 million and 1.5 million, which would put us very close to the record-breaking year in 2018 and 2020.
So here's what we know going into tomorrow night. Polling on the Democratic side is very sparse, and there really is only one statewide race that's up for grabs. Adrian Fontes has led in the most polls for Secretary of State against his opponent Reginald Boulding, but the number of undecideds in this race has been very high, giving room for either to outmaneuver the other tomorrow night. The opposite is true for Republicans. Polling is abundant. Recent polls indicate that Trump-endorsed candidates are favored. Blake Masters for Senate, Mark Finchem, Secretary of State, and Abe Amada for Attorney General, all leading. The tightest statewide race looks to be the superintendent race, with Tom Horn facing off against Sherry Sapir. But it's the GOP governor's race that has garnered the most attention by far, and polling has been all over the map here. In the last week, multiple polls that have been released show former news anchor Kari Lake likely besting her opponent, Karen Taylor Robson, by as much as 18 points. An interesting twist, though, happened over the weekend when highly rated pollster Emerson College released numbers that show that Karen Taylor Robson is ahead of Kari Lake by a point. So heading into tomorrow, most measures favor the Trump-endorsed ticket, but the possibility of a win for Robson should not be counted out. With a look inside the numbers, I'm Garrett Archer, ABC 15, Arizona.